What is up, YouTube? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for y'all, man. Now, before we get into the video, those of you that are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to join the channel. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Go ahead and join the family. It's popping over here. We do a lot of videos like these, sneaker talks, reviews, on foots, just to the lacing tutorial, anything you could think of. Also, hit that like button since you're already here. You might as well. And then, last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. So today, this morning, we got by the time you're seeing this video, we got the Airmax 90 Supernova, or the Airmax 90 Galaxy, as well as a React 270, and I believe, what was the other one? Was it an Airmax Plus, I believe? But anyways, we got those as well as the top 3 fives. Now, I told you guys off the rip I wasn't going for the top 3 fives for 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is just going into this year, I told everyone, with the exception of the Black Cat 4, I'm done with black Jordans for now. And I guess technically with the exception of the Black Cat 4 and the Animal Instincts, but that's different because of material. But I'm done with just black upper Jordans. Too many of my Jordans have black uppers. And also, I don't like, me personally, I like Jordan 5s without the number on the side. So the top 3s were a no-go for me, but the Galaxy 90s were announced to release this weekend, today, and they did. So I'm going to head to the mall, I'm going to pick them up, and then I'm going to review them for you guys. Alright guys, so you got to see me go into the mall and pick up the Airmax 90 Galaxies. Now, what you didn't see, because I didn't record it, so when I first went to Foot Locker, I tried to get 2 pairs because I was checking Godap the whole time, prices on them, and I was looking for sell now prices, highest offers, so I could get them and get them out of there. I knew I wouldn't be able to double the profit, but the way that I see it is, I do this a lot with sneakers that are first come, first serve. I try to get more than 1 pair and say I can make a $30 profit on one of them. Then that's like, if it was a $130 shoe, then that's like getting my pair for $100. You know what I mean? For example. So what happened is, I was checking Godap. So I got a size 13 right here, and I got a size 12 right here, as you can see, 2 pairs. Now what happened when I was checking Godap was that it was saying the bigger sizes, size 14 was going for like $215 right then for a sale now. Didn't have size 14. I went over to Champs because Foot Locker wouldn't let me get 2 pairs. And Champs had the size 13, so I was able to get it and hit sell now right away. And I sold them, and I made a $35 profit. So now on my personal pair, see what I'm saying? You see it has that, what's it called? The manufacturer suggested retail for $130. I got this pair for $95 because I sold this one for a $35 profit. So I'm subtracting $35 from there, and that's how you finesse getting sneakers for cheaper. You buy 2 and sell 1 for a little over retail. Now, that's enough talking, man. Let's just get into a quick, you know what I'm saying, a quick review of this shoe. Don't want to make this video too long. So as you can see, if you read the tag right here, we have an Airmax 90, regular Airmax 90. I'm not going to go over the box. It's a regular box. We got an Airmax 90, and the colorway is black and metallic silver, and this is a size 12. So this is my personal pair. I'm going to open these up. I actually already took them out and looked at them, and man, these things are fire. Just off it, these things are really, really dope. So you can see right here, we got the Airmax 90s. We'll look at the right shoe. Here's the right shoe. They're kind of the same and kind of not on both shoes. So as you can see, let's just start with the air unit right there. So we got the red. It's more of a pink than red, like a hot punch airbag in there. Clear airbag with the hot punch inner workings. Then we got like the black splatter paint cushioning around the bag, which is really dope. Gives it that starry look. Gives it that look of the night sky. Goes well with the Galaxy theme. And then also, I don't know how well you can see around this mudguard right here. It's not a suede or a leather. It's not really a rubber either. I'm not sure what material this is, but It's something really interesting. It almost has like some raised bumps on it, raised pebbles, kind of star-ish. I did try taking a picture of it with the flash on. It's not 3M. That would have been dope if those little spots on there were 3M. That would have put these just way, way, way over the top. Now, right here, you have your white space in the middle of the mud guard with a black Airmax, as well as a white license plate with a black Airmax. Now let's get to what everyone obviously is attracted to the shoe for, and that is the Galaxy pattern, man. They did a really good job on these. Let me just take this out of here. They did a really good job on these. So this isn't a mesh, but it's more like a light canvas material, and really, really nice. And I'm actually happy how mine came out. One thing I was worried about, just me personally, you see how you got those red spots here? This is the left shoe. I've seen some people, obviously the patterns on each pair change. So if I take out one of the size 13s, right? So this is the size 13. You can see all of the toes are different. I personally don't like this toe. I would rather have this toe with the blue on here, which is why I'm happy how it came out. So I am happy that I got more blue patterns on my toes than that red that came on the size 13. But like I said, those are already sold and out the door. I got to ship those out on Monday. But man, I'm so excited to have these in hand. Now let's just go to more details. Let me pick the right shoe up again. So you have the swoosh, which really stands out. You can see it's a reflective swoosh right there, kind of tinfoil-ish, kind of like I think they did that just to replicate like astronaut material, spaceship material, something you may find on a spacesuit. I think is really dope. They also did it on the, let me see if you could, will it focus? You can kind of see it says you got your pinkish swoosh, your punch swoosh with the Nike right up there. And now a difference made on the swoosh versus on the tongue piece is on the swoosh you can see you have that red stitching around the tinfoil swoosh, which is a really nice touch. And then once again, so this second part of the mudguard is even a different material than this. It's still not a leather, it's not a suede, but it's something different, something really nice. Really great quality on this. Let me just check something now that I'm thinking about it, because it is it's 2020, the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90. So what do they do with all of the Air Max 90s this year? You got your Air Max 1 outsole underneath. Really great touch. And then just a look on the insole. This actual pattern is what the actual, I think it's the Air Max Plus looks like on the upper of the shoe. So this pattern is actually seen on one of the sneakers. If I can find a picture, I'll attach a picture of it to the screen so you know what I'm talking about. Now, more details about the shoe, man. The tongue itself is pretty thick. It's pretty thick. Reminds me almost of an SB-ish tongue. Now, I do want to get to the laces real quick. We do get some nice red lace tips to match with that. I think that's a cool touch. I think it would have been a cooler touch if like one tip was this color and one tip was that color. But hey, $130 shoe. Pretty easy shoe to get. Go in the store and get it. So I can't complain too much. And then last but not least, we do have this hang tag right here, which usually, I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but I don't usually wear sneakers with hang tags on them. For example, I take my Jordan 3 hang tag off. Behind me, you can see the 90s. You see the one for the Air Max 90s from this year. Don't wear those on there because they're so big. But this one is so light and so neat, you know what I'm saying? It's so small. I might be able to get away with wearing this. I'll see what it looks like on foot. See how I feel about it. Never know. May end up wearing it with it. May end up not. May put it on the keychain. Never know. But it's definitely something different. Now, am I the only one, though? Am I the only one when I look at these, I think of a bowling alley? And those of you that agree with me know what I mean. These remind me, in a way, of a bowling alley carpet. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. You probably would have seen me post about it on Instagram already. But they remind me of a bowling alley carpet. And we do have that nice turquoise behind the tongue. But it's just something that makes me laugh a little bit. I feel like every bowling alley has the same carpet. And then what else did I miss? What do we not talk about yet? The outsole. We got those turquoise hits right there underneath the airbag. Then we got that hot punch on the toe. White everywhere else, white on the midsole. Really dope shoe. The materials, you guys got to hold these in hand. Those of you that went and picked up a pair today or picked up a pair before, you know what I'm talking about. I don't know what to call this material or this one. Does anybody know what to call these materials? If you do, leave it down below in the comments. But look at the shoe, man. I am really excited to have these in hand. Now let's just look at this hang tag one more time. So we do have Nike on one side of it. And then the other side, it says SN 2020, which is for Supernova 2020. This is a part of the Supernova pack. Man, I really like these. I'm going to get some good fits off with these. I know this. It's an Airmax 90, so it's a comfortable shoe. It's going to be an easy shoe to wear. As far as comfortability is concerned, if you have to have it on for a long time, let me know down below in the comments what you think of this shoe, man. I'm personally excited that I have it in hand. This video is going a little long, so I'm not going to do an on foot, you know what I mean? I'll do an on foot maybe tomorrow or not tomorrow. These might be in the top 10. If these aren't in the top 10, you'll get an on foot and a lace tutorial tomorrow. If not, you'll get a top 10 update tomorrow and then an on foot and lace of these on Monday. But stay tuned for that, man. That is it for this video though, guys. I know I'm talking a lot. I'm just really excited to have these in hand. I do love the Galaxy pattern. You know what I'm saying? The Galaxy phones, the Galaxy the rookies, the Big Bangs. I kind of like the Big Bangs more than the OG Galaxy phones. And I know that's a little sacrilege, but I like the matte look. But I'm definitely happy to finally add something with a Galaxy pattern to the collection. One more time, let me know what you think about it down below in the comments. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, man. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, join the channel, join the family. Let's hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Smash that like button, helps the channel, helps the algorithm, help the video get shown to other people. Last but not least, man, follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. Get a lot of information there first, like I've already posted about these a couple times in my story and once in my actual feed. But that is it for this one, man, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.